Good afternoon, students. How are you all? Hope you are healthy and hearty at home. So, students, today we are going to start a new class, and this is for class 10 English for today. Welcome everyone. Welcome to the class, and this is your English teacher Shagufta Nasrin, assistant teacher, Afanullah High School, Rangpur, and my mobile number and email ID is already available here. Dear learners, we have two pictures here. You see there are two personalities in the society, and here is a pilot and we see here a doctor. Such personalities we see some more in our society. That means engineer, we see here singer or political leader. So dear learners, what do you think? Can you say how do they become such person? Think yourself. So this is your thinking. They dreamt of to do something for the society and for the country as well. So I think, my dear learners, you can guess what is our today's topic. Our today's topic is they had dreamed. This is your English for today, class 10, unit 10, lesson 3. This is our class for 30 minutes. So hope, my dear learners, you have your textbook in your hand and open your book. In your textbook you see there is a dialogue, and this is Jenny and this is Shanta. Jenny and Shanta both had a conversation, and in the dialogue you will get 5 minutes time to read the dialogue yourself. This is your individual task, and read the dialogue yourself. After that you have to tell us what's the matter is in their conversation. You will get 5 minutes time to find out the matter, to find out the subject. Okay, so this is, I think you can find out the subject matter, because this is about dream, and the dream that is to do something for the society and for the country, and also to fulfill our dream, to make the dream come true, we should follow some great persons, some great personalities. Okay, dear learners, now it is time to go through the text, and you have to go through the text yourself. You will get 5 minutes time for reading. Before starting our reading activity, we are going to learn some new words. Here is the word Graduate. The pronunciation of this word is graduate. Say once again, this is graduate. Graduate, here is a picture for you. You can guess what is the meaning of this word graduate. Mr. Azim graduated from the University of Dhaka. So graduate, that means, you guess the word, that means to achieve a university degree. Graduate, to achieve a university degree. Next word, discrimination. Say E-I-S. C-R-I. M-I-N-A. Mination. T-I-O-N. So if we divide the pronunciation, then we can easily pronounce the large words. Discrimination. Yeah, we see a picture here. there are some discrimination in society, and here is the sentence: women should not have any discrimination, they should have equal rights as men have. So I hope you can understand what is the meaning of this word discrimination. This is different attitude to people, especially on the grounds of race, age or sex. Another word, let us say, ACT, act. Once again, ACT, act. So the full word is ACTI, activist, activist. This is a noun form, and here is the word, the picture, activist. See someone, the great personality in Bangladesh. This is Mrs. Sultana Kamal, and here is the sentence: Mrs. Sultana Kamal is a human rights activist. So it's easy to you to guess the meaning. Activist, a member of a certain social or political group, a member of a certain social or political group. Combat, combat. You see the picture here, the soldiers are having combat training. So what is the meaning? It's easy to understand after seeing this picture. Combat, the soldiers are having combat training. They had arms in his hand, fighting with arms or battle. Hope it's easy to you. Notorious, notorious. This is an adjective form, notorious. See the picture here, something wrong is doing, something illegal is going on by the police officer, and we see the sentence: the police is taking bribe. It is a notorious deed. And we are going to see the sentence: the police is taking bribe. It is a notorious deed. Notorious, that means dishonorable. Learners, so I hope all the new words are clear to you, and now it's time to go through the text. Before go through the text, and after completing your read, you will get 5 minutes time, and after completing your reading you have to answer these two questions: what do you know about them, who are they, and what are they well known. So these two questions is ready for you. For your answer you will get 5 minutes time to read. Open your book and read the text carefully. Hope you have completed your reading. Now let us see who are they. This is Preeti Lata, a very well known, a very familiar activist of anti-British movement, and this is the Pahartoli European Club, and this is Surya Sen. Preeti Lata was under Surya Sen and was a very active activist of anti-British movement. And gender discrimination, that means difference between male and female. So here are the rest ones. Colonial rule. Colonial rule, that means ruled by another country. Combat, that means fight, of course. Gradually, gradually, that means slowly. Resistance, activities. And notorious, notorious, that means dishonorable. And assign, give responsibilities. So I think you have finished, and correctly you have finished your activity. Now another activity for you this time, and as you are going to sit for SSC exam, so NCTB has modeled some different types of test items for your examination, and here is a test item for such examinations. This is fill in the blanks for your test items. So dear learners, you will get 5 minutes time to fill in the blanks, and I think you will successfully complete it. Finished your writing? Okay, let us see. The first one, Prittilata was one of the brave personalities who fought against the British, what? British colonial rule, of course. Okay, the next one, all through her life, she dreamed of a society. What type of society? Which is free from gender discrimination. All through her life, she dreamed of a society is free from gender discrimination. That means we have all the information is given here. So what is missing here? Can you guess? Here the missing word is the relative pronoun, and that is which. She dash of a land free from foreign rules. She also dreamt of a land free from foreign rules. So Prittilata was a dreamer, and she dreamed of something to make her country, how? To make her country free. And she sacrificed her life to her dream come true, to make her dream come true. So I hope this is also very easy for you, and you can do it very carefully, because to do this activity you have to go through the given passage 2 times or 3 times. So dear learners, here are some questions in your textbook. You also have this same questions. So you will get 5 minutes time to write down the answer of these questions. Okay, and this is homework for write at least 10 sentences about what is your dream to do for your society and country. This is your homework. You have to write about yourself. Dear learners, I hope you enjoyed the class, and we will meet again in our next class. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Thank you.